Hi guys, and welcome to Broadhaven.Tech. I'm joined today, as always, by Tim, and we're here to discuss the rumour that Facebook is preparing to launch its own stablecoin. So, Tim, you're really pumped by this idea, aren't you?
No, I'm terrified.
So what scares you about Facebook releasing its own stablecoin, allegedly?
George Orwell scared me when he wrote the novel about the surveillance state and how horrible our lives will be under some...
Get your tinfoil hat off, Tim. What's your concerns? What are your real concerns? Come on.
Well, I don't think it's a tinfoil hat. I think it's terrifying, right? We saw with the US presidential election and in Brexit in the United Kingdom that Facebook gave Cambridge Analytica access to our data for them to then influence our decisions and, curate the news feed that we are seeing to change and influence how we're going to vote. So I don't think it's a tinfoil hat thing. I think it's actually quite real and it's happening. It's just, it's more subtle than we might have, most people will compare it back to George Orwell and his book or any of the kind of surveillance state books we've talked about, but it's actually quite subtle that it's happening, but it is happening. And so if Facebook now not only control all of your social activities online through Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and then you also now give them kind of ownership and control and insight into all of your finances, I mean, that's pretty scary.
So what are they actually doing there? They're setting up potentially within their app ecosystem a stable coin to allow sort of frictionless payments, potentially targeting the remittance industry, which I think is worth over sort of $60 billion in India, and they have already an app that's running in India, I think, that allows payments. So is that what they're targeting roughly? Is that the sort of idea?
I would assume so. I mean, I don't know. They've kept it quite secretive, right? Apparently they have 50 engineers on it. If you're looking for a job, you go to their website, you can see a whole bunch of blockchain-based jobs. Yep. But yeah, what's that? Sorry?
They've got the guys from Chainspace, and they have the former CEO of
PayPal.
I think he's there. He's an ex-Coinbase board member. Yeah. So
it's a serious effort. It's a serious effort.
Leaning into it, aren't they?
Yeah.
But so you obviously don't trust them in terms of your data. So and you're even more worried by handing over financial data, which is obviously potentially even more valuable than the stuff you shove up on Facebook already, because it could be tied to a lot more sort of detailed actions about your life and your identity.
But it's not just privacy now. They also have control, right? Whereas right now they can, disable your Facebook account. That's fine. But if you've got your life savings in Facebook coin and they want to freeze your life savings, that's a little bit more control than them deactivating your Facebook profile is one thing. I think, from a business perspective, it's a great move by Facebook. It makes complete sense, right? Like you have all these different ecosystems. You got 2.7 billion people using your platform and let them send money to each other. I would love to be able to send, someone a $5 payment over WhatsApp. That would be a wonderful feature to have. I'm more terrified that, the monopoly that Facebook has, and they just continue to grow their influence with no checks or balances and no enforcement coming from the governments to protect consumers. For cryptocurrency, people can say it's good because it continues to raise awareness, but this isn't really a cryptocurrency in the sense of how people in the cryptocurrency world think about it, right? This is a digital currency inside the proprietary Facebook ecosystem. And again, we still don't know the details. Perhaps it will be tradable on public blockchains. But I suspect that Facebook will always want some level of control. It is a stablecoin as well, so they'll peg it to the US dollar. I don't know if that means that they will hold kind of a reserve of US dollars or if it'll be a fractional reserve or what. That's all yet to be determined.
Right, we'll keep watching this space. So thank you.
Or it'll keep watching you, I think is probably more correct.
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll let Facebook watch this space for us. And thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the post, please hit like, and we'll be back soon with another video. So hit subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next update.